looks effortless, and it just looks so natural. Like, you can't tell me nothing. This is my hair. This is my wash and go routine, you guys. Like, yes, love this.
Oh, now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, now.
Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video. As you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be achieving this look right here. The hair, the makeup, everything, you guys. This wig actually took me no less than 2 minutes to put on. I know it looks like we done did so much, and I know it's almost unbelievable right now, but listen, you guys, I am not the type of person that has all day to do my hair. So this look right here is just like super convenient for my girls who love the wash and go idea but don't really have the fullness that your hair may need to get this achievable look right here. This is for you, okay? My ladies with the 4C hair, my women of color, the melanin women out there. Listen, this texture of this wig and everything, I'm telling you, it'll just look natural and flawless on you. I'm super obsessed with this look, the hair, the makeup, everything. If you guys are interested in seeing how we achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching. Hey y'all, so before we get into the video, I'll be showing you guys how your hair will come packaged. So this is their packaging, that bright orange and their logo on the front. And when you open up the box, you see a thank you letter for purchasing from them. It says, I'm what you've been waiting for. And I have been waiting for this exact wig, okay? And on the back, you have your coupons, your information about their hair. They have giveaways as well. You can win up to $500, so yes. Your wig will be packaged in a hairnet, and then here is your T-part wig. So as you guys can see, it comes with 2 combs at the top, 1 in the far back, and 2 on the sides, and 1 at the bottom, along with adjustable straps that you can tighten or loosen if you'd like. The wig was a little bit big on my head, but I mean, the hair is big, so you can't really tell. And right now I'm just emptying out the rest of things that come in the box. And it comes with a wig cap, which you will not need for this type of wig. It comes with a shower cap, which I thought was super cute, and I don't know, the color just looks nice, and it's also satin on the outside, so that's a plus, as well as with tweezers, edge brush, and some duck clips. And I struggle. Our 4C girls out there with the same texture as me can attest to struggling with shrinkage, okay? Like, shrinkage is like our biggest hater for 4C texture hair. So I really love this wig because I can't get that look from a wash and go without, you know, doing extra work, and sometimes I just don't want to do extra work. So I'm just really excited to see how this will look, and I've just been dying to do a wash and go. I definitely tried recently and it just did not turn out right, so that was a fail. Hopefully this is not. So if you're like me with the same texture as me, yeah, this is something to look forward to, okay? And this kind of reminds me of a U-part unit, that comb right in the back of my head. And as you guys can see, I already have my middle part already. So then what I'm going to do is open the combs up. It'll come like this, closed. What you want to do is open it up, and then you will hook it onto your braid like that, and then you'll press down to close it. I just wanted to show you guys how to put it on right now, but so far so good. I was thinking about cutting like the hair a little bit so that it can frame my face a little bit more, but we'll see once our makeup done. You guys know hairstyles look different once your makeup is done, so we're just going to jump into that right now. Alright y'all, so right here we're jumping into makeup. I was debating whether or not I should let this just be like a little chill part of the video where you guys just watch me kind of do my face in a matter of minutes, just so that I can compliment the hair that is on my head. So I'm just going to tell you guys what I'm using, and you can feel free to watch as I do this. So I'm just using the Colourpop brow pencil in the shade Bangin' Brunette. And next I went in with the MAC Strobe Cream, and I mixed that with my Fenty Beauty Primer, and we're just patting that into our skin. Okay, so now for foundation, I'm going in with the Juvias Place foundation. This is in the shade Ethiopia, but that shade is a little bit too dark for me right now. I haven't been getting that much sun, so I had to mix it with some of my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I believe that was in the shade 315. And as you guys can see, it's a perfect match. And now for concealer, I definitely used way too much, but I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is definitely a oldie but a goodie, and I used to love this concealer, so I just felt like using that today. And then next I went in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer just underneath my eyes, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and blend that out with our foundation brush on the areas that we can. And then I went in with a smaller setting brush, and I'm going to blend out my nose and underneath my eyes. And then I'm just taking the excess concealer and I'm just blending that out on my eyebrows, on my eyelids. And then going into the Too Faced eyeshadow palette, I'm just dipping into that one color, and we're just gonna blend this on our eyelids. You guys know, normally for a regular nice and sultry look, I do not do much with my eyes at all. So next I'm going in with some setting powder, and I'm just setting underneath my eyes with the Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Honey. And next for bronzer, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer. I forgot the shade that I'm using, but I'm just applying that all over my cheeks just to add some more color and definition to the look. And don't forget your forehead. You gotta bronze up that forehead, y'all. And underneath your jawline as well. And then I'm gonna take the excess and go on the sides of my nose. And then for mascara, I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And I love this mascara. It's so dark and it just does a great job at coating my lashes. And then to set my face, I use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And we're just going to pop our lashes on. And for some reason, the glue just was not working with me that day at all. But we got them on. So now onto blush. I'm using the Colourpop blush in the shade, I don't remember. But I will have it in the description box down below. And blush just completes the whole look. So back in with that mascara on our lash line. Just adds to the look, you know. It's been a minute since I've actually worn mascara on my lower lash line, but I love it. So now onto the lips. I'm just using a brown eyeliner, really. And I'm just lining my lips with this shade. It's just a beautiful brown color, and it's not too dark, but not too light. It's just perfect color. And once that is done, I went in with the Colourpop lipstick in the shade Buttercream, and this is like my ultimate favorite lip duo. Alright, y'all, so makeup is done. So onto the hair. I believe you can wash this hair, what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of layers in the hair, just because I don't like that one cut look. Kind of just wanted to frame my face a little bit. The only issue that I'm having with this right now is the fact that the front of this side is like the clip isn't directly at the front. You guys see how I can like pull this back? So it's kind of just like up in the air, which I do not like. If you have a bobby pin, what you can do is you can go in with the bobby pin and you can just kind of pin that down like that, and then use the hair to cover the bobby pin in the front, just like that. I feel like that looks a little bit more natural. Cover it, and boom, how. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of foam mousse, and we're just going to apply this to the front and the top of our hair, because I want the hair to be big, but I want it to look uniform still and not like super messy. So this is definitely gonna help with that. And if you want, you can definitely go in with some edge control on your edges, and you can do your edges if you'd like. Like if you just feel like it's windy on a windy day and the hair is probably gonna be just like pushing back or whatever the case may be, you can definitely do your edges. I think I'll be okay tonight. So I'm gonna leave it just like this, and voila, here is the final look, you guys. I feel like this hair is definitely a everyday type of hair, especially when you know you don't have a lot of time to come up with something, but you want to, you know, just look like a little bit put together. I feel like this is super convenient, and this took me no less than 1 minute to put on, literally, with the combs inside and everything. You know, it looks very nice and natural as well, and I just really love the way that this looks, you guys. And it's super full, very bouncy, and it definitely moves, and it's definitely giving, Diana Ross, and I'm just here for it. Like, this looks super natural, and this definitely mimics my natural hair type as well. So I could not be happier with the results. And again, if you guys are interested in purchasing this specific wig, then you can definitely check the description box down below. I have some links down there for you guys so that you can click and even view their website as well. They have so many different other options for everyone, and it's super inclusive as well. So, but this is the finished look, you guys. I am obsessed, and yes, so thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another video. Before we go, today's motivational quote is, so this quote of the day is pretty much an affirmation from God himself. So it says, it wasn't rejection, it was God's protection. So with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.